Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. For that, first of all, launch your Bybit mobile application and then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Here, select the withdraw option and then you just have to use the search bar over here and search for USDT. Now, after selecting USDT, you just have to simply tap on it and then it will show you this type of form in front of you. So, in order to fill out these details, you first need to get the withdrawal address, which you can get with the help of your Binance application. So, you need to open your Binance app and here you just have to simply log in into your account if you haven't already. After that, tap on the add funds option and here select the deposit crypto. Now here you will have to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Now once you are able to find USDT, you just have to tap on it and here you just have to select the network. Now if you want to save some money on the gas fees, then you can go with the BEP20 and the other networks like TRC20. So as you can see that TRC20 is congested as of right now, so you can choose the BEP20 network and it will also show you the estimated arrival time, which would be around 5 minutes. So you just have to choose it and you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you need to copy it from here, then come back to your Bybit account and paste the address in this section. After that, in the network, you just have to select the same network that you have selected in Binance, which in my case was BEP20. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer, and after filling these details, you need to press the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to follow further instructions in order to complete your transaction. Now once your transfer is completed, you will get your USDT from your Bybit account to your Binance account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video, comments if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel for more crypto related content. Thank you so much for watching.